So imagine this for a second. You're at Monterey Car Week, surrounded by the usual million-dollar hypercars, classics, and wild concepts. And then, Lexus rolls up with something that actually makes people stop mid-step. A low, sculpted sport coupe that feels equal parts futuristic prototype and production-ready tease. Lexus is calling it the Sport Concept. Now, a lot of concepts at these shows are just design studies, basically rolling sculptures. But this one? It looks way closer to something you might actually see on the road. Lexus hasn't said much officially, but what they have shown gives us a really good idea of where their next flagship performance car might be heading. Up front, no massive spindle grille this time. Instead, it's sharp and clean, with slim L-shaped headlights that melt into the intakes. The daytime running lights stay hidden until lit, which keeps the face looking sleek instead of busy. From the side, there's definite LFA DNA. Vents behind the front wheels, a slick C-pillar, and even flying buttress shapes that guide air toward an active rear spoiler. Around back, you get a glowing Lexus badge inside a wide LED strip, plus a huge diffuser with an F1-style center brake light. It's aggressive, exotic, and surprisingly realistic. Lexus hasn't fully shown the inside yet, but what we've seen looks futuristic. A digital instrument cluster, a yoke-style steering wheel, so maybe drive-by-wire, and something unusual on the roof. 4 cooling fans, set beside a glowing central fin. It's weird, it's bold, and it screams concept car. But it also feels like Lexus is testing real aero and cooling solutions for high-performance EVs. Here's the big one. No exhaust pipes anywhere. On a performance coupe like this, that's a huge clue it's going fully electric, which fits Lexus's earlier hints about a halo EV sports car landing around 2026. Think of it as the LFA's spiritual successor, except instead of a screaming V10, it's going to showcase next-gen battery tech, futuristic aero, and maybe even a simulated manual transmission. Yeah, Lexus actually talked about that. A way to give EV drivers some old-school engagement. So, is this the new LFA? An LC replacement? Or a brand new flagship sports car? Lexus isn't saying yet, but one thing's clear. This sport concept isn't just a pretty showpiece. It's a glimpse into where Lexus performance is headed, and honestly, the future looks pretty exciting. If you want more deep dives into cars like this, concept reveals, and the future of performance, make sure you hit like and subscribe.